How to fix this Instagram song is currently unavailable. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnat and today I'll guide you on how to fix Instagram song currently unavailable on Instagram application. Now this might happen due to two reasons. The first is due to a bug or a glitch. Now I'll show you in this video how you can first update it and fix the glitch and or the bug. Now the second is the reason. Now the song might be unavailable in your region. Now in case it's unavailable in your region, what you want to do is on your Play Store or App Store you can search in for VPN and you can download any one of VPN and try switching between VPNs and regions, and then you might want to open up Instagram and searching for that song and try using that song. In case it's the glitch or the bug and you're still not being able to do so once you're on VPN, what you want to do is you might want to force update the app. In order to force update, you want to scroll down in the notification bar, tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. You'll be headed into the space. On settings, you want to scroll down and search in for apps. Under apps, you want to search in from the search panel for Instagram, and once here you search for Instagram, scroll down and head into stories option. Under stories at the bottom you can see clear data and clear cache option. Simply tap on clear data option. You can read it says all of this applicant's data will be deleted permanently. You want to simply tap on delete. Now once you do so, it will particularly reset the app. Once you do this, you want to head back to Play Store and there you want to update your application and then open up and log into your account, and this will fix the issue. So this way you can fix Instagram song currently unavailable. I hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.